You can see our topic. I would like you to join in if you have time. If you can join, and then I will let me know so I can share the link immediately. So I can share the link. Okay, we are live. We are live. How are we all doing today? How are we all doing today? Let's discuss about the topic. Let's see what we can achieve with these few minutes. Hi.
Yeah, good evening.
Well, good evening to you. You're welcome.
Yeah, I'm fine today. I'm thank God for today.
Yeah, I thought your network was giving you headache.
No. It's just yesterday due to my system. It's affecting me in my system aspect yesterday.
Yesterday, what affects your system?
My network.
Okay. Yeah, you told me about that yesterday. You
It's
told me
okay
about
now.
that.
I thank God for that.
Yeah, we came late today because I was kind of busy, but I wouldn't want to miss this live stream because it is very important. You have seen the topic. We are
Yeah.
going to spend just few minutes. We are not going to be live up to 1 hour. So I would like us to quickly go through the topic and see what we can achieve with the minutes we have. Yeah, because we have seen what is going on. Anytime you go to DOS Media Warriors, can you hear me? I don't know if my voice is coming out properly.
Yeah, I can hear you very loud and
Okay,
clear.
so like I was saying, you go if you go to Media Warriors, DOS Media Warriors, they are in their platform. They have not stopped attacking and criticizing PM for no just reason. So that is what I want us to look into. What is the reason? Why are they focusing on PM and Biafran government in exile and abandon the freedom of Biafrans, which Mazina Morikano formed the group to achieve? So ever since kidnap of Mazina Morikano, we hardly hear them. We hardly see any meaningful thing they bring to the table to change, anything or to offer anything for Biafran freedom. I don't know if you see the from the angle that I'm seeing it because it have not stopped. Each time you see those their followers and their median team, I can count many of them. So I don't know if you are seeing what I'm seeing, or am I the only one seeing their post and their attack which they're dishing out in their platforms?
Okay. Thank you for inviting me in your live broadcast today.
Very clear, very clear.
Okay, there's something we. That's how I used to fight my own freedom. I don't know about other people. Are you getting me? I
Yeah,
believe that according to our parents, any food that not bear food, any tree that not bear food, they need to cut it off. You
yes,
understand? You understand?
yes,
Immediately they kidnap our leader. Those people fighting of against our prime minister, I called them up by unfollowing them and deleting that program on my channel, on my page. Are you getting me? I only
yeah,
see the screenshot or once you post it general in autopilot. That's why I see it. Are you getting
okay,
me? Now,
okay,
that's the one thing you people need to understand. You understand me?
yeah,
If you are eating like you are there now, you are eating. If you are hungry and you are
yeah,
eating, you get me? Somebody want to collect the food from you. You must try to resist the person not to take the food away from you. It's compulsory.
yeah,
You
yeah,
must resist the person not to take the food for you. Now, just like for example, they talk about just like Nigeria and Biafra now. Like, Biafra still don't want to be Nigeria and just want to be Biafra due to what they are eating from Biafra. We're not eating. We're not benefiting for our food. You understand me?
yeah,
Just something like because Ekpa is blocking the root and the source of income, and they are not happy for the activities of Mazi Samuel Ekpa. They're not happy for him blocking the root and their source of income. You understand me? Because they
Yeah.
know how much they're making. Just like you are making 100,000 naira every month. Of what suddenly you started making 50,000 every month, you not be happy. You understand me? You have grudges within you. You would like to cover the space, the leaking space in you. That is what is going on in the US struggle. They are trying to shift Ekpa for them to keep on rooting Biafra in money. But Nelson Ekpa is not giving them the chance because it's a genuine freedom fighter. It's not after money. According to our leader, say, tell me any place in the world where you understand me? Tell me any place in the world where the people.
Of best or the aim of for forming that DOS and even IPOP as an organization is just for one common goal, which is to fight for the freedom of Biafra. It's not about monetary interests or making money. Does it mean that those guys don't know the primary uh, principle or primary objective of Martin Namorokano to form that US in the first place? Because you join an organization without knowing what the organization is for, or does it mean that this problem that people are saying about Igbo people is what is affecting them? That everything Igbo man normally see everything as a business. Could that be the problem?
Yes, the program agenda of Nanka is for them to assist him like a backbone of him. Understand me? Like a body. If he's anywhere that is going wrong, they will direct him to the right aspect of it. That's the program agenda of Mazda for forming the body. But the body have taken it as opportunity for them to make weight. You understand me? They have taken it as opportunity because the master is not there to control them. Now they have taken it as opportunity for them to make the weight. But just like I'm saying now, the US body, the work the master gave to them, they leave the work and started chasing money. That is what is affecting the US body. They are after the money, not after the freedom again. And again, they will keep on fighting for the money till their our leader is hard because they know that if our leader come out with the help of Smeba, they will prove and they will provide to us where is Biafra pause. But I believe we have a pause. And Master Smeba is not working with the pause because they have adjusted the pause. They have adjusted that pause, put for the struggle. You understand me? That is why if you
Yeah.
concern our leader, when you say that they will buy most of you, he said so before, not mistaken, the kidnapping in Kenya. Say the Nigerian government will buy most of you, some of you here. That is what's going on now. They have brought them away. And they brought them away now. They will keep on fighting against the genuine ones, so that our leader will not be out to question them or about the money they hijack. That's what I will say about that now.
But most of them are living abroad. So and most of them claim to have work, have something doing. Does it mean that they join the agitation profit without maybe they don't have work, they don't have any job to do, or are they just doing it on purpose to just to earn money? That's all.
Okay, thank you. According to our people, you say that it's not half as hardware. You understand me?
Yeah.
It's nowhere. Some people living in abroad, thank God you based in abroad, you're not based in Nigeria. Some people living over there that
Yes.
you based. So cannot feed 3 square meals a day. So cannot pay the house
Yeah.
rent. But they are still living abroad. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Some live okay, there's the IPOB leader in Finland before our leader was kidnapped in Kenya. He borrowed money in the IPOB pocket. Is this the right for a freedom fighter money they made for the freedom? To fight for his freedom. You understand me? But he's still living abroad. But he borrowed money for the pocket of the Finland, pocket of IPOB. Muhammad Abbas, that just a room. Before they have not,
Yeah.
when they have not kidnapped our leader, before it's looking at like someone that have not eat. But now that he have the power, the authority to the money to take, nobody will question him. Look at him now. You understand me? I was that said that
Yeah.
if a freedom, have it in mind. No matter who, a poor man is a poor man. What make a poor man is not how much you have. Greedy man is a poor man. You understand me? A greedy man is a poor
Yeah.
man. Like Wazike, for example, 2 days or 3 days, he's still a poor man because he's a greedy man.
Yeah.
That is what is
So
happening.
w-
I'm hearing.
what you are saying, what you are saying now is that most of them is out of greedy, not that they don't have something doing,
Yes,
and
some
some of them is and some of them is because they are doing what they're doing because they are business minded, so everything means business to them. Or some of them don't have work,
yes.
even though
Like I
they're living
said,
at.
some of them are greedy. You understand me? Some of them now have said
Yeah.
this is the opportunity for us to be. You understand me? Some of this is as an opportunity for them to make wealth. Because they see that the leader who will ask them, who will question them, who will not there, they have used it as an opportunity. Because see that ndị Igbo asị ala agha ma awụrụ ndị nze. You understand me?
Urundeza.
Agha due to our leaders in the whole stage, they have used it as an opportunity for them to make the wealth. You understand me? Some are not fighting for freedom, some are fighting for their pocket, their own interests. They're not fighting for the freedom, they're fighting for their own personal interests. They're there to make wealth. Some of them are not working. Like China's a room. I don't think it's working in Switzerland. I don't think so. You understand me? It's just a behind lawyer. It's not working. If you're a lawyer in profession, I believe you will
No,
go to eh?
Chinasaworu have never been a lawyer. Nobody said that he's a
So
lawyer.
so so I said I'm talking of Chike Doziem, sorry. It's a lawyer by profession.
Okay.
Chike Doziem.
Chike, Chike Doziem. I was even. I think I read in someone's platform that he's seriously sick. That he's seriously
Yes.
sick.
The money they are eating is blood money. Let ourselves the truth. You understand me? Oh, ego
Even
ọbụla
the recent, I was also told that the recent broadcast that they made, that they claim that he made in Radio Biafra, happened to be his reverend, his brother, who is a reverend father. He is the one that made that live broadcast on Radio Biafra. But the IPOB organization, DOS, I mean not the IPOB, DOS claimed that that person happened to be China Saworu, but Biafran government in exile and the media team of Biafran government in exile, they find out that that person that made that broadcast is his brother, not him. And like I told you last time we were live, I made it clear to you that even on his Twitter page, he have not posted anything on his Twitter page for, I think that was since 2021. All they do there is sharing. I don't know if he's one having the platform, that page, or someone is managing it for him.
Uh, Chike Doziem and Chidasawo. There's a time I went to their Twitter handle. I don't see posts there. I don't see anything
Yeah.
posted on their Twitter handle because they don't know what to write. You understand me? They don't know what to write. Yeah, let's tell ourselves the truth. Okay, for example, now we are all in Nigeria, in Biafra land. You understand me?
Yeah.
Have you ever heard before? Have you ever heard in Twitter that Hope Uzodinma or Ibazu or any of the government or politician make a comment, they counter it? Have you ever heard it?
No,
That is the thing.
never.
That's what I'm saying. They don't know what to. You understand me? Okay, this one that people say that we will deploy resources to fight Igbos and Biafrans. You understand me? They counter it. You understand me?
How can they counter it? How can they counter it when they are the one telling Nigerian government that they're sympathizing with them for for their loss on their, I think, in Imo State, because when Nigerian army faced Biafran Liberation Army, they lost some of their men, and what the US did, they quickly rushed online and started telling them that we are sympathizing with you for the loss of your men and all that,
Yes.
which
Yeah,
means
Ikenga said so.
they are working in hand in hand. And yesterday I was told that China Saworu, when he came down to Nigeria, I think he visited Nigeria some time ago. and he was moving on a convoy, in military car and military security and all that. So all this thing, goes to show that something is fishing, because for them to be attacking PM, who is clearly working in line with what Mazen Ghana have been preaching, which is freedom. They are the one, is spreading the rumor that PM and the different government in Israel are buying innocent people without any evidence. So they are doing everything necessary to bring him down, to blackmail the different government in Israel, sharing the information which is not really verified against Biafran government in Israel, and at the same time against Biafran freedom. So are they fighting their own freedom for with the PM, or with Nigeria? So that's where I got confused, because for since 2 years now, it happened that these people have not ceased from their attack, blackmail. If you go to their platform, I can show you. I can read some out here. Let me go through it, because these people have never ever learned anything different from different from what they did in the past. The very first months that Mazda Magano was kidnapped, they kept quiet. So it took them. That was why DOS happened to be a big organization in IPOB, and Mazda Magano was held in captivity for 8 days in Kenya without anybody know or have any information, any intel about where he is. So these are the things that we need an answer. Here, this one said, Ike Ago said, little did they know that, I don't know what you mean by that. Little did that know that we will never forget, we will never forgive those who take advantage of our people's emotions and mislead them. What he's trying to say here is that he attached it with a post. I don't know if this post is edited or the real post from PM. The post says, if they tell you that IPOB autopilot will not restore Biafra in 2023, tell them to go and get medication. We now have almost all groups, including armed groups, not criminals, fighting for Biafra under autopilot to restore Biafra. So why I said that this post is edited, the person removed DOS and put autopilot in that sticker that he attached it here. So everything goes to show that the attack have not stopped. And he posted this post posted it 21 hours ago. Okay, it's not a popular platform, but his page is those putting on green, white, green. So these people can never ever repent. They can never ever repent, and I don't know why they have not retrieved from the attack.
Uh, like you can you can see that attack due to what? I've said it, due to their benefit in the struggle. You understand me?
Yeah,
Their benefit, they are benefiting in the struggle because they are paying them, they are benefiting in the struggle because no poor man fight for freedom. You understand me? That
yeah,
goal is the money they are paying them. They are desperate of that money they are paying them. That is why, even though if atrocities going on occur in the freedom, they keep mute. You understand me? How can, okay, for example, one the first state attorney they called in Anambra State say no election. They, suddenly they call it off. Are you getting me? In the name of
yeah,
political solution. Our PA is not happy with the calling to. Now, ask them now, what is the outcome of the political solution up to this moment? Are you getting me? What do they know about it?
yeah,
And now the general election occur again. They still fight against it. Their body or their mission is they are only active once there is any activities going on in the zoo. Once the PN say that I will hold Biafra land, will hold stand still. sit at home. Are you getting me? That is where the attack come with full force. Because why people are still listening to those people over there, those dear bad bodies that are still using the radio Biafra to commit atrocity, to commit sin. You understand me? Because the radio Biafra is a holy radio. And that is why our
He's
leader
no
told
more. He's no more holy, my brother.
no, I say no, no, it's not spoil it. You understand me? I'm saying when our leader is still around with us, that is why I will say
Yeah.
that let Mazi Ekpa take in charge immediately. Because know that this is the only place he will speak. The whole Biafra will hear him. The whole world will see
Yes.
whole stage. You understand me? But
Just
now they don't want to do that.
to maintain the prestige and the respect of the platform, the Radio
Yeah,
Biafra. Because ever since he was kidnapped, things turns around and everything has changed totally. Things
yes.
fall apart.
And they don't want you to they don't want you to hold the this thing. Their mission to be in the RWF is to use it to fight against our PM. That's their only mission. You get me? Only mission there
Yeah.
because that's the platform the people are using to hear Biafra news. Because our PM don't have a strong platform that the Biafra will use. Some people now are looking for where to reach or hear from him. They don't know how to hear from him. They only go for reshare of his video. You understand me? Because it's still in YouTube. Unfortunately, the Nigeria government buy YouTube so that they buy YouTube so that he will not use it to preach the gospel of Biafra to the world or to Nigeria again. But what I will only say is that these people are fighting our PM due to their selfish interests. They now wanting to restore the freedom the freedom on earth, the freedom of God on earth. That's their main aim of fighting him. Because they know that they have seen the action, the momentum of our leader, okay, of our PM. I think next month or when about he's going to Germany. Am I right? He's going to Germany, our PM, to preach
Yeah,
the
I think
gospel.
that is Zoom meeting. If I'm not mistaken,
I thought it's live.
that is.
There's a post on it. I don't know whether it's live. Whether it will be there live. There's a poster we put on him going to Germany, but I don't know whether it's Zoom meet. I don't know. What I'm saying is that have you ever heard that the US are hosting meeting official? You understand me? Or the freedom of Biafra.
Yeah.
They can only host a meeting to fight our PM. That's the only meeting they hold. That's the secret meeting against our PM. They don't host a meeting to way forward. Since over 2 years now, they're talking of underground work. We are not seeing anything on the ground, but we are seeing surface work of our PM. And they don't want the surface work. They want
Exactly.
to. Yes, we are seeing the surface work of our PM because without our PM making alliance with our leader want to make alliance before they kidnap him. What's our fate up to this moment? What is the struggle? They have no assistance. They just want their mission or their target is to bring our PM down. You understand me? So that they will use
Yeah.
the atrocity, the evil on the struggle.
You
Are you
know,
so?
another thing is that anytime all those Fulani people, happen to lose their life while trying to take the life of innocent people in Biafra land. This
Yeah.
DOS medium team or media warriors, IRAT, what they will do, they will jump out, using that post and that image to criticize PM and Biafran government in exile, just to give him bad name. Because, like I told you in one of our broadcasts, that they will always give the Igbo people say that the Yankee Taja for before boy. So
Yes.
they will give a bad name to the person before they will now look for a way to buy the person. I don't know. A few days ago, there's a post that the PM made in his Twitter handle. He said, breaking. What type of woto is this? And you see Nigerian police who by I think I don't know who, they put their body in pickup or something like that. I
Yeah,
don't know.
it's true.
Did you see that post, right? You saw
Yeah,
that
it's
post.
true. With one
Oh
madman.
yeah.
with one madman
Yeah, no.
on the line.
This one is the when they have already put their body in a car, in a vehicle. You understand? So
Yes.
what DOS and their era did, they screenshot that post and started writing on it. So, and I don't know this one they call Big Wing Austin. He happened to be, I don't know if a Yoruba or DOS member, I don't know. But why I'm talking about, why I'm sharing this information is because this guy, Biafran child, Biafran Nigeria, this Ihiala boy,
Yeah.
what what he did, he quickly screenshot that post of another person. Another, I don't know this post. I don't know this person. Maybe he's a Yoruba guy or anything. Because what that person said is several times I have said it on this timeline. Simon Ekpa is playing a script handed out to him, which is which is, it sounds like DOS media warriors write up, because they always accuse PM of being handed out, as an agent or from Nigerian politicians or something like that, trying to that he's playing, he's doing the bidding of Nigerian government that employed him and all that. That is what this one is saying here. He said he is in Finland. Nigerian embassy is in Finland. Simon Ekpa is a is terrorizing Nigerian, and Nigerian government knows his location, his evidences, it has evidences and everything it will take to extradite him. You understand? The
Yeah.
same extradition, the same extradition. Just I'm going somewhere. Just follow me. The same
Yeah.
extradition. This person that posted this thing now is not a popular, is not a well-known IPOB or DOS member. So I cannot come out here and say that this person is IPOB or not, or DOS. But the person that shared this information for me to get, have the feed is the one that called himself the Biafran child Wachineke, the general.
Okay.
He shared his recruited agent, Ngozi Orabeze. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So, assuming that this guy that posted this, that post this, that post on his wall is a Yoruba guy, okay?
Yeah.
Tell me, what sense does it make that someone who is fighting for Biafra, who claimed to be a freedom fighter, sharing this kind of information also against your comrade? Because let's assume that both of you are fighting for Biafra. Let's assume that what you are looking for, what you are fighting for, is what PM is fighting for. And another person who is a core Nigerian, who is a core one Nigerian, is who hate Biafran so much, who don't like freedom of Biafran people, put up this kind of a write-up on his platform. And you, who say that you are the general in freedom fighting, who say you say that you are Biafran child, that you are for Biafra, you are doing everything for Biafra, that you are protecting the structure of mass Namorok, and you are sharing an information against someone who is also fighting for Biafra, which you are claiming that you are fighting for. This is the reason why I said that these people don't really have common sense, because after sharing this kind of thing, and you're expecting people who come from Biafra land to take you serious, to like you, to follow you, to listen to you, after knowing that you are fighting against someone who is looking for the freedom.
Yes. Like I can say, what I would say is that I can't say hashing habanaka Eleya. You understand me?
And then, yeah, yes,
Yes. If it was that since they kidnap our leader, my some ever our PM or page is going higher. You understand me? Their own is
yes.
going down because data. Yes, I'm telling you, I know what I'm saying. I cannot use my data and be watching nonsense, consistent. You understand me? I cannot. I can only watch something that is useful to me. If it's okay, I'll come back tomorrow and watch it. Because I will only say is that These people, that Mazi Okechukwu, for example, that Biafra child is watching again, since the genocide going on in his own local government, his own this in a village, what
His own
Uli.
village.
Abi, yes, Uli. No, left for state of not left for state. Uli is from Uli. He had a local
Okay.
government Uli. Have
Okay.
you make any comment on it? Have you make
Never.
any comment? That's the
Never.
thing. Because okay, how can a genuine Biafra take this serious? You understand me? I don't think a genuine Biafra will take it serious because he's only jealous of the PM. If you look when they kidnap our leader, no. What he's doing is that he will bring cop, he will bring chair, he will bring this, he will bring, you understand, just to meditate about them. That heavy and jealous I'm saying about is still in him. Understand me? That is not how to fight freedom. If you know that you are doing it okay, leave him to do it okay. Anyway, like for example, when they kidnap a leader, Prince Maxwell of BNN, Biafra listing of in Bakassi Peninsula, you understand me? He is doing it well. That is why our PM approach him to work with him. Are you getting the game now? Because if he's not doing it well, our PA will not
Yeah.
approach him. That's what people don't know about freedom. You understand me? Now, like they know that PM is doing it well, why can't they approach him and work with him? What is the heavy and jealous in it? Thing for necessary. And our PM is look at okay, someone our PM don't used to sleep up to 5 hours a day. You understand me? People don't know about that. You don't sleep 5 hours a day, but
Yeah.
heady and the agile. But those that sleep 100 hours a day, look at their skin. You understand me? Just like look at him. Yeah, evil in
Criminalism.
them is eating them dry. You understand me? The evil in them, they are planning evil on how to attack our PM,
Criminalism.
planning evil on how to bring it down. All they plan on our PM evil. Like the video I told you about Efe. He said that the US don't have any agenda. The only agenda they have is two. One, church did not say, Eberima. You understand me? Is it an agenda for, is it an
Yeah.
agenda for a freedom fighter to use Eberima as a subject, as a tool to fight for his freedom? Okay,
I,
they ask
I
them now, who
tire.
is Eberima? Is it a stranger? Biafra, for example, now, is Biafra made from, is Biafra, is it for only Mazina Kano? Is it for Nani have the tools, the money I can bring Biafra? Are you getting me? If I had the structure, I can bring Biafra. What we want is the freedom. We don't want who bring it. We don't know who bring it. We want the freedom. What matters is the freedom. But these people are after who bring the Biafra. You understand me? You cannot go after
They
who
are,
bring
they are
it.
all they are all salary they are all salary earners in IPOB. That is
Yes,
another thing. They are all
yes,
salary earners.
yes,
So they just like you said when we started that they don't want their source of income to shut down, and they notice that PM is a threat to their purse and their source of income in IPOB. So that is the summary of the whole thing, because that statement you made is very 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 true, very very very
yeah,
true. Mm.
yes.
Okay.
Because you understand me? Like for example, now let me use it as example. Now, for example, you know what is going on in the northeast, am I right? Plateau State, Plateau, yes, and Plateau,
Yes.
yes. You know what is going on there, am I right?
That's it.
Have you ever heard that the Nigeria government said that they are sending troops there, or they want to put their resources over there?
How can they cannot send troop now? They are the one
No,
operating in
but
that
you
entire
hear that
region.
you hear that every time they are sending troops to Biafra land, am I right? To
Yes.
stop them not to exist. That is what the US are doing. They not send troops to Nigeria. They send they not use that media warrior that page platform to fight the because he's the one blocking the resources of income. Is the one
Oh,
blocking the
well,
resources the resource
it
of
is
income.
so annoying. It is so very very annoying.
But they use
Very
Biafra
annoying.
as a means of income. They use Biafra as a means of income to them. Hello.
I can hear you. I can hear you, my brother. I'm just a kind of I'm feeling sad about the whole thing, because you see your own brother looking for a different thing, pretending to be with you, selling you out, and yapping nonsense, and at the same time expecting people to believe and trust and love. So how can you trust someone who it is very very clear that is working against, is
Excuse
working contrary to what will give you your freedom? What is the
excuse me,
essence?
I'm trying to comment. It's not connected. I don't know why.
The comment is on. My comment section is on.
I'm trying to comment. It's not connecting. Let me see.
Try again. It's on. Maybe you, if you can refresh the play, it's on. Someone comment or have already, I have read a comment already in our broadcast.
It's not. I don't know for why from my own end.
Maybe it could be from your own end, because someone puts a comment here, say greeting host.
Yeah, I saw
So
the comment, but I saw the greeting host, but my own is not connected. I don't know why. You
maybe
understand me?
maybe after the live.
Because I don't know how they think that for example it's only Master Ekpa or Master Khan is the only one that has the power to bring freedom. No,
And
Master Khan.
some of them believe. I don't know if they think that the freedom must come from one direction. It must come from them.
Yeah,
So it doesn't
our
work. It
leader,
doesn't work that way now. It
our
doesn't
leader
work that way.
make it official that any person that will know how to bring that can bring freedom should bring it. You make it official. Are you getting me? Why are they
Yeah,
fighting our PM in the name of jealousness and heavy? You understand me? Why are they
yeah.
fighting him? Before they say that how can Abakaliki man give up freedom? Abakaliki is it not a Biafra land? You understand me? Before,
Even if it's Benue that want to give us the freedom, I'm ready
you
to
understand
support
me?
you.
You understand me? That this thing that they are doing. That is why I say that I will be neutral for the moment. You understand me? I will be
Yeah.
neutral. Both my Facebook page, when I'm active in anything reasonable, my page, anything reasonable. I'm not here to fight any person or to have issue with any person. But other than that, if you're not doing it right for our freedom, I don't have any business to do with you. I don't have any business to do with you. Because what is going on in the country now, I'm not happy about it. To be sincere, I'm not happy. You understand me? How
You are
can
not alone.
those that live in a civilized world against the freedom of their own people in their homeland? How
It's
can it?
annoying.
Yeah.
It's annoying. Very, very
Eh?
annoying.
No one person show me one skyscraper in the Obefa land. One skyscraper that is up
Nothing.
to 20 or 50.
Nothing.
Just only one. You understand me? You
Nowhere.
live in a Dubai,
Nowhere.
US, Canada, America, different countries, you see 100, 20, 50, 20. But no one in your land, so we have the resources, we have the income, we have everything to do it. But you are fighting those who want to give you the freedom. Do you know that without
And those who are fighting is they are also in another man's country where you have all those things.
yes, you understand me? Do you want to tell me that? Do you know that if all this effort, this force they are putting against our PN, they are using to fight for the freedom, by now we could have gone a long way. You understand
Of
me?
course. Of course.
For example, no sit at home, everybody sit at home, everybody sit at home totally with the effort with them. I don't think that the world will call us in order. The world will call for granted by force. Not that sit at home, no sit at home, sit at home, no sit at home. They don't count their ambition to counter the
They
effort by
spend the
force.
first year, do you know they spend more than a year fighting against it at home?
I
They
know about
use
it.
they use every tactics to make sure they end that, because that's it at home that is the assignment that the Nigerian government gave to them, that if they stop that's at home, then the balance, the money they're supposed to pay them will not get to them if they did not stop some anywhere from that at home. So they pushed and pushed and pushed to the extent that those who contracted them, which is Igbo politicians, they came out as well, started fighting, for fighting against it as well. You know?
Yeah. But what I always say is that I can't actually how to aka will not no feel again. Understand? Go aka mado. It is getting out of hand. You understand me? It is getting out of hand because the strategies of them fighting for the strategies. And let it they want the history to repeat itself again. Nobody like I said, like I always said, nobody fight against the freedom of his people that that end well. Nobody. You understand me?
That is what they don't know. That is what it is even better that you kept quiet without commenting. You understand?
Simple. We
Than
not
coming
argue
out to fight against your freedom.
we say if you don't know what to say, keep mute. You understand me?
Yeah,
We have each state almost in the 5 states, almost something senators in the 5 states of Biafra. You understand me? Some of them are not saying
yeah.
anything. For example, now, former Abia State Governor Tony Orji is a senator. Have you ever heard about him before? You don't know what to say. You keep quiet. You understand
Keep
me?
quiet.
If you don't
My
know what to
brother,
say,
we
keep quiet.
you have tried. We are almost we have spent more than more than the minute that we mapped out. So let's hey, what is your for now because it is quite late here.
Okay. Yeah, my message go to Biafra is that please don't. It's not good to fight against who is fighting for your freedom, and don't be jealous and heavy. Who is bigger than you is bigger than you. You understand me? That's one of the message I will
Exactly.
say. Who is bigger than you is bigger than you, and never you consume the
Exactly.
money made for your freedom. You understand me? Any money made for freedom, use it for your freedom. Because freedom is not given. Freedom needs resources, it needs time, it needs effort, it needs many things. Please, let's to assist our PM. Freedom for one is freedom for all. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you for coming in to join me in this live broadcast. I really appreciate. What
You're
is your
welcome.
channel's name? Please remind us your channel's name so that our followers will also want to know what you are doing in your own platform as well.
Okay, my channel name is Madu Chimapamu. The Madu is spelled Madu. The Madu Chimapamu is spelled Chimukpam. Chimapamu. That's my channel name.
All right. Thank you so much. Thank you. I really appreciate my brother.
You're
Thank
welcome. Have a
you.
nice day.
Have a nice day. See you on my next video because I would like to invite you again, maybe tomorrow or next. So
Okay.
we're going to have a continued discussion, and I will be on your platform tomorrow. Please,
Okay.
guys, if you are watching this video, join us tomorrow the same time. We are going to be live on his platform as well. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like the video, comment, and share. Bye bye
Thank
for
you very
now.